And now an update to a story we brought you last week. According to the CDC, cases of pertussis or whooping cough continue to rise. So much so, in fact, that some states have now declared epidemics. While one has not yet been declared here in Maryland, health officials here say we are keeping with the national trend. 11 News reporter Lowell Melzer has more details.
According to recent data from the CDC, pertussis, or whooping cough, is on an alarming rise around the country and right here in Maryland. In fact, Maryland health officials tell us that they are not only concerned, but are on the defensive.
We are keeping a close eye on it.
Kurt Situ, senior epidemiologist with the Department of Health and Mental Hygiene, reacts to recent data released from the CDC showing the U.S. is on track for the worst whooping cough outbreak in 50 years. Just how bad is it in Maryland? New data released from the state shows that at the end of July last year, there were 56 known cases. This year, 181, and that number is expected to rise. Those most at risk are infants and people who handle them.
We want to make sure that people are vaccinated that have contact with infants, such as pregnant women, before they have their baby. We want to make sure that they're protected. We want to make sure that any siblings in the households or grandparents that may take care of the infants are protected.
Pertussis, the medical name for whooping cough, is passed along through nose with a cough that gets progressively worse. The good news is death rates are low and it can be treated with antibiotics.
If you do think that you may have it, we recommend that you go see your physician, that you do get tested for it.
As far as why we're seeing the rise in cases, medical officials say that the diagnosis process is improving and it's possible that the vaccine is waning over time.
So by the time they reach the adolescent age, the vaccine protection is not enough to protect them against pertussis, and so we're seeing more cases then.
And if you'd like to take a closer look at the CDC's findings, we provided some links on our website, WBALTV.com. At the State Department of Health and Mental Hygiene, I'm Lowell Melzer, WBAL TV 11.